Please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos. Hello guys, welcome to the channel Backbenchers Classroom. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find or retrieve your lost product key of your computer operating system in laptop and desktop. Even this tutorial will help you to identify whether your OS license is genuine or not. So without wasting time, let's get started. So in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 simple tricks to find license key. Okay, in the first trick, you need to open or run command prompt in administrator mode. Okay, so first press Windows plus R button to run a command program, run program. Okay, now type this cmd and by holding shift plus control button simply hit to the enter button. Okay, if it's asked for the permission, then press on yes button. Now it will open a cmd in administrative mode. Okay, after that here you need to write a simple command which is this one. Okay, here this is wmic path software licensing service get and then this code. Okay, and then hit on enter button. As you can see, here the code gets repeated and no license key shown here, but it should be in here cause I don't have any license in my system, and it will be look like this if your system has original license key. Okay, now let's go for the second trick. Now simply close this one and then open for a PowerShell in administrative mode. You can simply search on here PowerShell, okay, Windows PowerShell, and simply click on this option. Same as earlier, if it's asked for the permission, please allow it. After that, you have to write a code here again. So simply write this code and press on enter button. If you're not seeing any license key here, your OS might be not activated or activated using pirated activators. And if you have original license key installed, then it will look like this. Okay, now let's for the third trick. So go to the search bar and search for the Registry Editor. Okay, now open this Registry Editor by clicking on Run as Administrator option. Okay, it will ask for the permission, so press on yes button. Okay, now it will look like this after opening. Now you have to follow the path by expanding all the folders like this. Okay, so let's open the appropriate path. So first we have to expand this folder which is HKey local machine. Then we need to find the option software folder. Okay, after that we need to expand Microsoft named folder. Okay, let's find out this one. Okay, from here we need to open or expand Windows NT option for Windows NT named. So here it is. Okay, now expand it. After that click on this current version. Okay, from here we need to search software protection platform named folder. Okay, now search for it, software protection platform, click on it. Here as you can see the license key is showing over here. It doesn't matter whether is your OS license is pirated or genuine, it always shows here. So if you like the video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this.